Okay, further if we talk about remainders, binomial expansion is one area which always helps too. And since by nature the numbers are cyclic in nature, so we can see the remainders are also cyclic in nature. So if I divide any odd number by an odd number, at some point of time, at some power, the remainder will always be 1. So what we'll do is we'll try to find out which power of 13 when divided by 183 gives me remainder 1. So I say 13 to the power 1 is 13, it will not give me remainder 1. 13 square is 169, again it is not going to give me remainder 1. 13 cube is 2197. Let us see, this is a big number, divided by 183. So if I divide this number by 183, 183 12s. So 18 12s is 216, 183 12s will be 2196, which means the remainder comes out to be 1. So when 13 power 3 divided by 183 gives me remainder 1, so I need to convert this number in this form. Which means, can I write this as 13 to the power 3 whole to the power 22, 66 divided by 3. Divided by 183, this gives me as remainder 1 to the power 22, which is finally 1. So this part gives me remainder 1. Now I've got minus 23. So 1 minus 23 now gives me minus 22 as the negative remainder. So while dividing by 183, if I'm getting a negative remainder, the positive remainder will be 183 minus 22. So the answer comes out to be 161.